Most people get this completely wrong. They see a stock paying a 15% dividend yield and think they have struck gold. They imagine sitting back, collecting massive checks every quarter, and living the dream. But here is what nobody tells you. That sky-high yield might actually be a warning sign, not a winning ticket. And chasing the biggest numbers without understanding the strategy behind dividend investing has cost countless people their hard-earned money. Today I am going to show you exactly how a high dividend yield strategy actually works. Not the fantasy version. The real version. With actual numbers you can follow along with. By the end of this video, you will understand how dividend yields are calculated, what makes a yield sustainable versus dangerous, and how some investors approach building an income-focused portfolio. Whether you are just starting out or you have been investing for years, this is going to change how you think about dividend investing. So let us jump right in. Section 1. What exactly is dividend yield? Let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Dividend yield is just a percentage that tells you how much income a stock pays relative to its price. Here is the formula. You take the annual dividend per share and divide it by the current stock price, then multiply by 100. That gives you the yield percentage. Let me give you a real example with made-up numbers. Imagine a company called Blue Chip Industries. Their stock trades at 500 rupees per share. Every year, they pay out 25 rupees in dividends. So we take 25, divide by 500, multiply by 100, and we get 5%. That 5% is your dividend yield. Now here is where it gets interesting. If the stock price drops to 250 rupees but the company keeps paying that same 25 rupee dividend, suddenly your yield doubles to 10%. Sounds amazing, right? But wait. Why did the stock price drop so much? Maybe the company is struggling. Maybe they cannot afford to keep paying that dividend. This is exactly why chasing high yields can be dangerous. Section 2. The high yield trap most beginners fall into. Here is something that took me years to understand. A dividend yield can be high for two reasons. Reason 1, the company genuinely pays generous dividends and the business is healthy. Reason 2, the stock price has crashed and the yield looks artificially inflated. Let me show you with numbers. Company A has a stock price of 1000 rupees and pays 60 rupees annually. That is a 6% yield. Company B has a stock price that fell from 1000 to 400 rupees and they also pay 60 rupees annually. That looks like a 15% yield. Now which one seems better at first glance? Most beginners would jump at Company B, 15%. That is incredible. But what they do not realize is Company B might cut their dividend any day now because their business is struggling. And when that cut happens, not only do you lose the income you were counting on, but the stock price often drops even further. This is called a dividend trap, and it catches thousands of new investors every single year. Section 3. How to evaluate dividend sustainability. So how do some investors figure out if a dividend is sustainable?